Welcome to GoreGasm. Don't let your stupid fucking kids watch this. It's really goddamn gory. And the host makes sex jokes the whole time. Enjoy.
And I tried everything but suicide. What has crossed my mind? Just a thought.
Look who's come crawling back to GoreGasm. I'm your host, a dead person named Barnabas. Not every movie with heads popping off and people keeping elder gods in their closet has to be a horror film. This week's sample of American gore is under the realm of exploitation homage. Exploitation films are films that exploit something. I know. I bet you never thought you'd learn about root words in GoreGasm. This week, we're tackling the splatter movie, Hobo with a shotgun. That's not much of a cackle moment, if you ask me. Who wrote in a cackle? So jumping right in, we see that Mr. Leahy is certainly stepping up Ricky's punishment at the trailer park. About 4 Trailer Park Boys fans are rolling right now.
You know how I can tell I'm making you wet?
No.
Because you're making my dick thirsty.
You know a movie is working when there's a rape threat in the first 15 minutes.
Mother Teresa is a goddamn saint.
And a major pain slot.
Welcome to Fuck Town.
Fuck the police!
Make a feeling.
Now that is a busy street corner, and they say the job market is bad these days. Typically, shotguns are left on pawn shop shelves and are loaded and ready for killing.
Happy Valentine's Day, you fucking sluts!
And they say romance is dead. Nothing says eternal love like white slave trade.
I'm gonna come down both your chimneys and give you a big present.
Oh, so it's not just a Valentine's movie, it's a Christmas movie. I'm fairly certain that this is the original opening to A Year Without a Santa Claus. I'm Mr. Snow Miser, I'm Mr. Cold. Now that is a piñata!
When life gives you razor blades, you make a baseball bat covered in razor blades.
Yeah! Not a Miata. They said a burning school bus full of kids wasn't possible in a movie.
I hate hobos.
They said that 2 guys dressed like dicks with boomboxes and a flamethrower would never make it to the silver screen. But they did it! And I'm proud to say I've seen the fictional murder of a school bus full of kids. America! America, America, those guys killed lots of kids. No, don't hide in that box, it's not structurally. Oh, I love giant novelty blood balloons.
I'm gonna wash this blood off with your blood.
Best bad guy line in the movie.
Slick? Where are you? What happened?
You shot my dick off!
That's always the hardest part about being killed ironically. Dick mutilation.
Lynn, you fucking whore!
No joke, that's just funny. I think the steampunk thing has gotten way out of hand. Randomly hanging nurses and doctors in the halls? Are Are they trying to make these two unsympathetic? This is exactly how I wish my funeral went, instead of that shallow grave behind the brothel. Still, easy to dig my way back to the surface, legs or no. Am I watching Evil Dead 2? Oh, sorry, I get confused really easily. Am I still watching RoboCop?
Sorry, boy, but you just never had that much potential.
What the? Oh, goodness, that... Ah! Oh, and the pain! Oh, she used her bone as a weapon! That's so rude!
Boys, if he shoots, kill the fucker!
You and me are going on a car ride to hell. You're gonna miss me. You're riding shotgun.
Well, I mean, you can't say they didn't provide a grand ending. Oh, and fuck the police! Come back next month for more gore in unexpected places. That is, if you can stomach the carnage, kiddies. And if you can, we'll see you back here with your pets around your ankles for more GoreGasm. Woo! Who's gonna suck my dick? You are.
Mo Bobine.